How to delete your Facebook activity log all at once on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear your entire activity history in just a few steps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap the three lines at the top right to open the menu. Right here, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Next up, tap on Your Facebook Information. Moving on, tap on Activity Log to see a full record of everything you've done on Facebook. From here, tap on the Filter option at the top to narrow down the type of activity you want to delete. After that, select the category you want to clear: posts, comments, reactions, searches, and so on. Following this, tap the three dots next to the activity or tap Select All if the option is available. Next, tap Delete or Move to Trash to remove the selected activity. Moving on, repeat the same process for each category until you've cleared everything you want gone. Finally, keep in mind that some activity, like posts you've been tagged in, may require additional steps to remove. You may need to untag yourself or request removal separately. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.